I asked Google to define self-care in a short sentence. I was interested to come to the conclusion that the definition of self-care is the intentional practice of preserving and enhancing one's well-being through personal actions and activities. Now, to practice self-care, you must prioritize activities that nourish your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, such as adequate rest, mindful moments, and activities that bring you joy and relaxation. In this video, I'm going to be doing a couple things that bring me joy and relaxation. First, we're going to look at some Ana Luisa jewelry that was sent over to me. Let's get straight into this video. If you're like me, you may have never heard of Ana Luisa. Well, I'm here to change that for you today. Ana Luisa is a New York City-based company, so you know they come in with the trends. Now, this company offers a wide variety of products, including earrings, rings, necklaces, bracelets. Now, they also use recycled materials that are fairly priced, and from the reviews, they do have ethical business practices, which I think is important. Now, let me show you a couple luxurious handcrafted pieces that I received from Ana Luisa. So this is the first one. I get so excited when I'm opening up things. It's like a kid. I'm so happy they sent me these because I wanted these so bad. Y'all, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Especially for the springtime. This is a very beautiful transitional piece. Just opening this out of the package, I am just head over heels in love with this piece. And moving on to the next piece, I'm very excited. Let's see what I got. And literally, these two go together perfectly. This is the 14-karat Brindley bracelet. Every single piece of jewelry from Ana Luisa's shop is religiously tested and guaranteed to be a long-lasting, hypoallergenic, and water-resistant piece. I think the shipping takes a very short amount of time. This is a timeless piece of jewelry. I think you can dress it up, dress it down. I love the fact that it's long-lasting, it's hypoallergenic, and water-resistant. The 2-year warranty just makes me feel way more at ease knowing that I can always go to customer service for any problems or concerns that I'm having with my jewelry. Don't hesitate to check the link down in my description for the coupon code to get some money off on your first order. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for choosing me as a candidate to promote your products. Let's go. Mooney, you want to play ball? I'm leaving the dog park. That was fun. My dogs never play when we come to the park, but they'll play all over the house. So, until next time. Listen, the color might be off in this video. I don't know. I gotta work on lighting. I do have some tools. I just gotta figure out how to use them. So let's just hope this video comes out good. I can't even think. It's something about when the camera come on, my brain go boop. So I've been having this juicer. It's called Kuvings, hopefully 830, Revo 830. If I said it incorrectly, I'll just put it here. It's a whole slow juicer. Cold press juicer. Yes. It's a cold press juicer, and this makes juice, smoothies, nut milk, sorbets. It does it all. But anyway, today we're just focusing on making juice, and I want to make this apple juice that I sometimes make. It's like an apple, cucumber, lime, and ginger juice. So that's what I'm gonna be making today. It has this attachment that has a chute for like celery, cucumbers, anything of stalk. It's a flap. And when you unlock it, it's like the apples or berries or whatever you want to put, anything that you want to juice, okay? This is where everything gets blended up, and it's so easy to clean. If it's not lined up in the correct area, the machine won't cut on. So one thing I realized about this is that you definitely have to make sure the red dots line up with each other, and that's how you know it's working. I pulled this out, and then we have this, which is the blade. This is really safe, I would say, for people that have kids and stuff, and maybe they're helping you make a smoothie or make juice or sorbet or whatever you guys are making. This has a latch where you pull up. It's not secure at the moment, but there's a latch where you pull up and your stuff comes out. On this chute, this is where waste would go, which is really not waste because you can use that. Like for me, when I make these apples, I actually give the apple to my dogs. Like, or what I want to do is make like cookies and stuff out of it and then give it to my dogs. So this is the magic machine for this little guy here. Pop it in, and then there's bristles to clean. Y'all see those bristles? So those bristles are what's cleaning the outside of this and the inside. But there's pieces that come with this, and you can use it to clean. So that's the breakdown of the machine. So I want to show you guys. This is the apples and cucumbers that I'm going to be juicing today. You can definitely put these in whole, but because I give them to my dogs, I did take the stem and the seeds off of the apples, and I shaved the skin off of the cucumbers. If you were wondering what it sounds like, the juicer is not that loud, y'all. It's actually really quiet. Let me go turn it on. There is a forward and reverse button, so when stuff is stuck or you just want it to go the opposite way real quick, you can. So this was forward. And just drop it in. And it breaks everything up. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like to do the entire apple. Coming to the end of the juice, I'm about to pour this into the container that it's going to go in. just made some brown sugar cashews, and this is what they came out like. It's cinnamon and brown sugar cashews. I like to eat the Planters bag of cashews. I forgot. I don't know if that's how to say the company's name, but it's trying to cool off, so I'm gonna let it harden. But I've been making my own snacks lately, like little stuff that I like to get at the store, just figuring out how to make it at home. Spend way less money, okay? All right, so I made some more snacks for my dogs. These are the blueberry ones. So these are blueberry, pumpkin, and peanut butter oat. Be ready for some. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give them a groom today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. Charles, your lunch is ready. I only cook for you. Here you go. Here you go. Out there. Hello. You look cute, girl.